Hello, welcome to Wise Real Estate. Today we will talk about the best way and quickest way to lower your mortgage payment. All right, the best way to lower your mortgage payments. Many of you know I'm not a big fan of refinancing. The reason is when you refinance, you're actually setting the clock back another 30 years. And if you're halfway through your mortgage, through paying off your mortgage, refinancing may not be the best option for you. So that's why I'm not always a big fan of refinancing. You actually have to read all the details. As the saying goes, read the fine print before you sign those dotted lines. What I recommend instead is what you call mortgage interest rate reduction. Now, not every bank offers that, and some banks call it something differently. But what is it? What it is, it's actually taking your interest rate and then setting it to the current interest rate. So let's say, for instance, you purchased your house at a 6% interest rate. Right now, the interest rate in the nation, the national average, is about 3%. So when you do a mortgage interest rate reduction, your mortgage company will actually ask you to pay a fee, usually 0.5% of your loan. So if you owe $200,000 on a house, you may have to pay $800 or $900 to set your mortgage to the current, to set your mortgage interest rate to the current interest rate. What that does though is it lowers your payment. Let's say that could potentially lower your payment from 6.5 to or 6 to 3%, about $300 to $400 right there. It does not affect your credit. You do not have to actually do all the other necessary works as far as filing a paperwork and closing costs. None of that goes when you do a mortgage interest rate reduction. And it's very, very quick. It usually happens within a week. And the new payment takes effect the following month. So that's what I recommend if you're looking for a way to lower your mortgage payments. Now, if you have no other option and you've only been in the loan for about 5 years, then refinancing might be an option. But again, it's not something that I would recommend to look at first. I would first recommend doing a mortgage interest rate reduction if your bank offers that. Thanks for joining us. Write your questions below, comments, concern, anything you have. You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can also go on my website, wiserealestate.kw.com. Thanks for joining us. Have a blessed day.